I'm studying right now so that I can have an office in space.
When I was little, I always knew I wanted to fly. One of my favourite things to do was being at an airport and seeing the aircraft take off and land.
I could fly a plane before I could drive a car.
I'm Hayley. I'm a pilot in the Royal Australian Air Force on the KC-30A.
I'm Julia. I'm a training manager with Air Traffic Management.
I'm Louise, a helicopter engineer in the Australian Army.
I'm Alana and I'm studying Aviation Management at Swinburne University.
I'm Carissa and I'm doing a PhD in Aerospace Engineering at RMIT University.
I'm Sheffin and I'm studying a Bachelor of Aerospace Engineering and Astrophysics at Monash University.
I'm Sarah. I'm an engineering manager at Boeing Research and Technology, and I'm also a mum.
A part of my job is to make helicopters safe so they can conduct search and rescue, humanitarian aid and disaster relief.
As a student, I focus on the business side of the aviation industry.
I'm a captain that flies the air-to-air refueler, so we refuel heavy jets and fast jets in the sky.
I lead a team of instructors to develop and deliver training for a new air traffic control system.
My team and I are creating next-generation carbon composite materials that are lightweight and allow us to connect to our friends and family around the world whilst creating less emissions.
My course is helping me to achieve my dream of becoming an astronaut so that I can work with cutting-edge technology and pioneer new ways to explore the universe.
At school, I chose STEM subjects. I loved maths and music. Music was particularly great for coordination.
I studied maths and science and sought out teachers who were passionate about their subjects.
Throughout my schooling, I got to take robotics classes and I learned how to use technology to solve problems.
The best part about my job is that I get to work in wonderful remote locations in Australia.
In my job, I love the variety and problem solving.
The best part about my job is that every day is different. I get to travel the world and I work with amazing people.
The best thing about my degree is that I get to learn about rockets, aircraft, helicopters, satellites, telescopes, black holes, aerodynamics, and the list just goes on.
What I tell my daughter is that I have a wonderful career in aerospace and there are awesome opportunities available to her.
As a woman in the industry, I've always had a huge amount of opportunities and support. Nothing should hold you back.
My advice to you would be to dream big.
Find out what's possible for you in aviation and aerospace. No other career can take you higher.